In ancient Kemet, the term Kim was designated for being dark, or the color black, while the term Deshur was designated for the color red. These colors, Deshur and Kim, were sometimes utilized by the ancient Egyptian to distinguish one another. It has been said that Deshur was often used by Africans south of the Sahara to refer to the nomadic people who were further north, like the Fulani tribe. Kim and Deshur were also used to distinguish individuals who had the same name. For example, two ancient Egyptian brothers were nicknamed Hapi Kim and Hapi Deshur. Early Egyptologists inferred that the color designations were pertaining to their hair color. However, a more recent hypothesis has been suggested by other modern unbiased scholars, which has concluded the Kim and Deshur are referring to one's skin color and not their hair color. When a person is described as Kim, it is safe to deduce they were dark-skinned, and when an individual is called Deshur, they were lighter-skinned. Similar occurrences can be seen in other African languages, such as the Fon, a language mainly spoken in the Republic of Benin, to refer to a dark-skinned black human being. A dark-skinned black man or woman, one would say miwi, which literally means human being be black. Nayawi, men be black, and nawi, lady be black. On the other hand, to designate a light-skinned woman, one will say respectively mivo, which literally human being red, nyavo, man red being, and navo, lady be red. Shout out to PhD Sandro Capo Chichi for his hard work and research on this subject and bringing out this information for the masses. Also, there are ancient cave drawings and rock art found in Central Africa dating to the Green Sahara period, about 10,000 BCE prior to the desert covering northern Africa. These drawings were done by African pastoralists who would later go on to form ancient Nile Valley and possibly later sub-Saharan African civilizations such as Egypt, Wawat, Punt, Kush, Benin, etc. The rock and cave art found in Central Africa depicts human skin color in Deshur red and Kim dark, similar to ancient Egyptian art style. This shows an undeniable cultural connection between ancient Egypt and other sub-Saharan African cultures. Some ancient Egyptian women can be seen in a yellowish hue, which led some scholars to assume that the woman of Kemet had pale skin. Some modern Egyptians like to cling onto these images of women with lighter skin to deny the black African presence in ancient Egypt, not understanding that it is not necessarily representative of reality. The majority of indigenous women inhabiting ancient Egypt had brownish dark and brownish red skin, comparable to their male counterparts. Women were tasked to be in charge of household duties, such as taking care of the children, while men went out and earned a living under the hot sun rays of Africa. The artistic canon of women being depicted lighter than men was not implemented 100% of the time, so we still have primary occurrences of Egyptian women being shown with their natural skin complexions.